Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a Haikelite MT02. Now I was sent this by banggood.com for review, and here it is. Comes in this nice case that you can store it in. Nice carrying handle on this as well. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's in. Comes with the next set of O-rings. Comes with a nice lanyard. Comes with this printout here. Now this one here runs on 318-650s. Also has the Cree XHP 35 HD LED. And looks like it has a total lumen output on turbo of 2500 lumens. And according to this literature here, it also has 800 meters throw distance. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at the light. Now I've already put batteries in it to make sure it worked. And I'm very familiar with the Haikelite brand. They've sent me a lot of their samples, and just looking at this right away, this appears to be very, very good quality. Also very similar to another Haikelite which I had done a review on. Kind of show you up close. A lot of heat sinking on here. Got that nice steel bezel. Nice smooth reflector. Try to get you up close to that LED there. Very nice machining. Excellent finish. This has more of a flat finish here, so I'm not seeing any issues here. It's got some knurling here, knurling up here as well, and you can stand that up on the tail. Not seeing any issues with the machining, no sharp edges at all. Very nice. Button is slightly recessed, not flush, but does stick out a little bit. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up, show you what cells I'm running. Now I'm running the LG HG4s, and these are 3000 milliamps, and these are 20 amp draw. Very nice. These are also known as the chocolate batteries. Takes 3 of them. These are flat tops, by the way, which I'm not having any issues, because this actually is slightly raised on that compared to the outer edge where that ring makes contact. So I tried out the LGs one at a time. They all made contact, so I went ahead and stuck 3 of them in there, and it's doing real well. Alright, well greased on the threads, and try to get a shot of those springs. Those are heavy duty springs in there. Alright, we'll put all the batteries back in. And we're going to make sure it works. Alright. So it does work, so let's go ahead and go over the UI. Now the UI is real simple on this light. All you have to do, click that one time to activate the light. Once you do that, you press and hold to go through the next levels. And then when you get to high, all you have to do is double click to go to turbo, 2500, blinding lumens. Does have a little bit of a halo effect there, as you can see, but it doesn't bother me too much. Now from off, if you need strobe, you press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. We'll go into strobe, and that's it. That's easy on this Haikelite MT02. So let's go ahead and take this outside and see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Haikelite MT02. We're going to start off on low. And on this one here, you can clearly see from its brother, the SC02, this has more of a spot. I'm just going to shine it around. This is on the lowest setting, easily making 65 feet on that. A very focused spot on that. I'll show you along the fence how focused that spot is. So this is going to be more of a thrower for you. And we're going to go ahead and show you on the Tree of Life. It is faintly making that Tree of Life pretty good, actually. Alright, we're just going to show you 40 feet out. Alright, so now we're going to go to the water spout and do the next level. And now you're seeing the spill now at this light level. Nice focus spot, easily making it across the park there. Look at that. That is really nice. Can't wait to see this on turbo. And there we are. And look at how well that spill is here. And you still got the range on that spot. Very nice. It's got some really good range on this. Easily making the school. This is going to be really nice on turbo. A real big feeling on that. Look at that spot. It's just super focused. So we're going to go ahead and head back over to the water spout. And we're going to go ahead and go to the next level. Look at that. Wow, that's a lot of light. It looks really good here to my eyes. Now compared to the video, look at that across the park. Usually just crazy bright how well this is doing for just a small. To me, this is really more of a compact thrower. Look at the difference in that beam. Super focused. Well up into the trees. Got some excellent range on there. I mean, we're seeing the whole length of the park at this light output. Just crazy bright. Clearly across the park there, you can easily see those benches. Wow. Usually make the Tree of Life there. Look at that. Just crazy bright. Easily making the schools. Now we're going to check the palm trees. Look at that. Making the palm trees. That is incredible. Alright, so now we're going to go to the next level here. Pan around over here. Alright, there's high. And look at that. We're not even on turbo yet. This is just incredible. Look at how bright that is, people. Just look at that. Look at how bright that is. Easily making it across the park. Incredible. Now look at the length of that. Here's the spill, and look at that spot. Incredible. That is just crazy bright. Okay, I'm going to put this on the Tree of Life, and we're going to show you here. We're going to light up the Tree of Life. We're going to go to turbo. Look at that. Look at how bright this is, people. Look at this. Is my hand shining this light. Little tiny Haikelite, in my opinion. Very compact. And look at how strong this thing is. Easily lighting up the school with authority. Look at that. Easily lighting up those palm trees. And this is very affordable. This is amazing. Look at it light up clear. This is just clear performance again from Haikelite. Everywhere you shine this spot, it cuts through. We're going to do a beam shot there. Look at that. Crazy bright. This is just crazy bright. Usually making it across the park. Look at that. This is just amazing performance. Look at that. Look at that. A lot of bugs out here. Usually making it across the park. Look at the spill on this. Well into the trees. Tree line. Fence line. This is just incredible. Look at that. Straight beam on that. Again, I'll show you those palm trees. Very impressive. A lot of bugs out tonight. Amazing. We'll go back to Tree of Life. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. This thing did amazingly well. It's got real nice throw on this, and it's compact. Fits right in your hand. Very much a compact thrower. It's got some good distance on this throw. It's got good spill on it. It's got excellent machining and finish on here. I'm just really liking this, as well as pretty much every Haikelite I've ever tested and reviewed. It's done extraordinarily well, and I'm giving this a perfect 10. This to me has a little bit better range than some of my other throwers that are a little bit bigger, but this definitely is amazing because of its size. I'm liking also the style of this. It does real well. All around great light. So I just want to thank again Banggood.com for sending me this light for review. So if you're interested in this light, just look up right up on that screen, right about right there, and you can pick this up from Banggood.com, and use my discount. Will help you save some money. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights to you in the future. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care.